Am I the only one seeing that black goo emanating from the ring on the far right? I don't really know what that is, but I know that this ultrasonic cleaner is using that frequency to get stuff out of my rings that I didn't even know was there. It cleans at every angle without manual brushing. Super easy to use. You just plug it in a standard outlet. You do need to fill it with any tap water up to the fill line and then add any items of choice. So here's the rings before. And after letting the unit run about a third of the time, I did go ahead and close it. You see the purple light come on? That's your UV light that only activates when the top is closed. The first setting runs for about 5 minutes. On the right hand side, you can see the countdown almost ending to the end, and it does do a nice auto shut off when it approaches the end of the run cycle. Then you can open the unit and see the results. The water is quite disgusting at this point, as you can tell. Love that it does come with stainless steel tweezers, so you can grab the items out of the unit once it's finished. And first results, wow, that's really pretty. Before on the left and new on the right, I can really see the difference in those blue ones. They just look a lot more brilliant and reflective. And an up close of that water, you can see some chunks in there. And after my rings, I also did my glasses. I love that I can put those in there. I feel like I am at the age where I need my glasses all the time, and I'm constantly using the wipes to try to get them clean, but nothing gets them as clean as this with the technology. It's just a much more effective way to really get at those smudges that are inevitable when using glasses. Overall proof is in the pudding, and I really feel like this cleaner combines powerful ultrasonic performance. It wasn't too loud, super simple to use. It was versatile, so I could use it for jewelry and glasses, retainers, whatever we need. Everyday cleaning was pretty effortless, and it did restore the shine and clarity in just a few minutes. With the auto shut off, it really couldn't be easier. Set it and forget it. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.